Here's the easiest way I found to get a perfect size firewood for a small pit like our solo stove. Get a couple small boxes from Home Depot for moving. Grab your chainsaw. You know, it's important to get a good chainsaw. I got the Stihl Farm Boss. This thing is a hoss. It is the best chainsaw I've ever owned in my life. This is what I'm making essentially. This is perfect for the solo stove. These little chunks of wood, and I'm getting older. I don't like swinging an axe as much. I do, but I'm going to show you an easy way to swing an axe and an easy way to cut these. So I'm going to show you how I make the perfect firewood for a solo stove. Here we go. So I've had this sitting for about a year. It's so full of ants. I only got bit once, which is pretty amazing for the amount of ants in this thing. But let's just pick this guy right here off the ground. Oh, it's going to be so full of ants. But if you come over to the sawbuck, I just want like a 2-inch, 3-inch, doesn't matter, something like that size. Build a sawbuck. You can watch my sawbuck video. Oh, hey, buddy. Look at that little guy. It's like the 5th one I found. The girls would want all of these. Safety is important. I got this Husqvarna. You can get it on Amazon. Oh, I can't hear you. Got ear protection, face protection. I wear safety goggles. Am I yelling? I do safety glasses just for the sawdust. Sometimes Murphy tries to bite the chainsaw. She thinks it's a toy. Scares the crap out of me. Why do dogs do that? In my sawbuck, let me show you how I do it. Look at her. It's not a toy. How great is that? So easy! Look at them all. And what's great is they all go away. You just throw it on the pile, they go away. Put them in the box. Some good wood right there. Check this out. Fire elm. We'll take one of our discs, split and log. You can see I've used this a few times. These little slices split really easy. Pretty cool. In case you want a hotter fire and some smaller chunks kindling, you could have a hatchet next to the fire pit and just, they split super easy. Perfect. Fire's going, the wood size is perfect. Hardest part for me is gonna be burning some of these. There's some cool pieces in there, but awesome. Hot dogs and s'mores, it's that time of year.